Hey, what's up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor, the channel where I pretty much talk about whatever stocks that I want to talk about. And in this video, I want to talk about the massive earnings reports week that we just had. If you're not familiar, many of the large companies actually posted their earnings this last week. Talking about like Apple, Microsoft, Boeing, AMD, Amazon. There were so many companies that posted their earnings. I'm not going to talk about all the companies that did, but I want to talk about some of the big winners. Anybody that their stock was up over 5% over the week, I'm going to try to get to the big winners in this video. All right, so the first stock that I'm going to get to is Apple. Apple had a really good week, actually. The stock ended up over 7%. Their expected EPS was $2.99. Their actual EPS was $2.55. Now, obviously, they wouldn't hit their expected EPS because of the whole China situation, but the stock did pretty well, given what everything that has gone on. All right, this next stock, a lot of people were wondering what's going to happen to it with the whole tech bubble, and they were going to see if it was going to hit their expected earnings per share or if it was going to miss it. And they ended up having a very phenomenal week. The stock hit its earnings per share, and that is AMD. AMD was up over 20% over the week. Their expected earnings per share was 8 cents, and their actual earnings per share was 8 cents. So that was a really good week for AMD shareholders. All right, so the next stock that I'm going to get to is a stock that I talk about a lot on this channel, and that is Tesla. Tesla ended the week up over 6.55%. Their expected earnings per share was $2.26, and their actual earnings per share was $1.93. But for the most part, everybody's pretty excited for the fact that Tesla has now reported twice that they are profitable. The next stock that had a really good week was Facebook. Facebook ended the week up 11.86%. They had an expected earnings per share of $2.19, and their actual earnings per share was $2.38. Now, Facebook has been doing really well with Instagram. They're definitely still getting a lot of users, and now it looks like the stock is turning around a bit, and that is great for 2019 shareholders. All right, next is Alibaba. Alibaba ended the week up 6.52%. Their expected earnings per share was $1.67, and their actual earnings per share was $1.77. Now, for this last month, Alibaba has been doing great in general. It's definitely nice to see the Chinese stocks turning around after having a really bad year. All right, next is Boeing. Boeing ended the week up 7.47%. Their expected earnings per share was $4.58, and their actual earnings per share was $5.48. Next is GE. GE ended the week up 13.7%. Their expected earnings per share was 23 cents, and their actual earnings per share looks like 17 cents. But I think in general, people were pretty happy to see that they're probably still making money. I don't know. All right, next is UPS. UPS ended the week up 6.12%. Their expected earnings per share was $1.91, and their actual earnings per share was $1.94. All right, next is Exxon. Exxon ended the week up 6.93%. Their expected earnings per share was $1.17, and their actual earnings per share was $1.50. So it goes to show, even though I'm so bullish on electric vehicles, people still do use combustion engines. So I know there's many more stocks that I can get to. They had earnings reports. Obviously, Microsoft did, Amazon did. But I wanted to highlight the ones that were the end of the week up over 5%. That's what I wanted to focus on in this video. But if you know of any other stocks that did have a really phenomenal week, feel free to write them in the comments section. As anyways, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click right here. Thank you for watching. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time.